So it's important also to inform that with the mixing container, there are two tools that come with the machine. One is to replace the spark. So you take the cable off, okay? Use this tool here to lose the spark. Then you replace for a new one. Different battery tips, okay? So it means 6 different flow rates, okay? The gray is 50 millimeters per minute, the red one is 80 millimeters per minute, the light green is 110, the yellow is 150, the black is 200, and the blue one is 250 millimeters per minute. So 6 different tips, 6 different flow rates. And another part is the screwdriver. We will need this tool to assemble the machine. Then part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Mainly we have 5 different parts, okay? So let's attach the first one. Then we put the second part.
So hard.
The fifth part. Control spring jet. So you hold this, it is open. If you leave, now it is closed. For a constant spring, you just lock the valve and it will always be open. To close, just unlock it and then you have to do that. Mix the fuel, gasoline, which is petrol. Right inside of the container mixing, respecting the level over here, or we could use a small container, which could be easier to measure the oil and then to add on the gasoline. Okay? We put in this tank here. Okay. So here we have a Kawasaki engine. It's a very powerful, low fuel consumption engine made in Japan. The engine is 4.6 HP, 67.3 cc, so it's a very, very powerful engine. Here we have the fan, which is responsible for the airflow, for the spring of the chemical solution. Also, it is responsible for the agitation system, which is a pipe over here. This pipe goes up to the bottom of this tank. All right. So it will keep always the solution being agitated. Okay. You control the agitation level in the lid from 0, 1, 2. 0 if there is no agitation, 1 medium level, and then 2 maximum level. Okay? It will avoid the sedimentation of the chemical in the bottom of the tank. Okay? And also the third function of the fan is to cool the operator back. We have the filter here, so we must always use this filter when are you filling the tank to avoid any unnecessary part to goes into it. So always use the filtration system. We basically have 3 stages of filtration. The one is here, the second we just saw over here, and the third one in the nozzle. Everything also is in the manual. Okay? Also, you will find all the information here: fuel preparation, equipment operation, initial engine starting. Everything is here, step by step. Chemical tank filling, liquid agitation system, everything you find on the manual. Liquid application and so on. Now, it's a very important advice. The engine maintenance, you can find everything in here. Maintenance daily, first 20 hours, each 20 hours, each 50 hours, each 100 hours. Everything is on here. All the maintenance of the engine. Also, you have in the manual the troubleshooting. Let's say the problem, the possible causes, and the solutions. So it makes the life easier for the operator. Whenever he finds any problem, he can come over here and then he can solve the problem. It's on. All the spare parts also are in the manual. With the codes and everything. So, to make the machine work, okay, here there is a switch when you want to turn on or off the engine. Here, okay, you pump 8 times here to feed the carburetor when the machine is cold, and then you just start. Okay, we will do it practically very soon. We fill with the chemical, we start the engine. Meter high, 18 meters on the horizontal per minute, up to 250 ml per minute. This one we are using is 250 ml per minute. Okay. So as we use concentrate chemical with this machine, we do not need a bigger tank. The structure for the engine, so it means we have a low center of gravity. Instead the tank is being on the top of the machine, the tank stays in the same level of the machine, which gives you more stability, is more comfortable, and it's more ergonomic. Apart from the 6-liter machine, we also have an 11-liter machine. With that machine, in addition, we can apply powder and granular. So we can do some other different activities with the 11-liter machine.